Good afternoon, YouTube. So this is what I've picked up so far to get the truck back together. It's not a lot, but it's a start. Of course, we got some zip ties and some gasket maker just in case we need it. But I got header gaskets right and left. I don't remember what these cost. I picked these up last year when I thought I had a header leak and just hung on to them. Then cam phaser limiter. This is for, hang on, motorcycle. This is so you can run the bigger cams without your valve train going haywire on you. There's the part number if you guys want it. This one came from Moe's Performance. I think it was $95, and it took 3 days to get to me when I ordered it. It's a little tool to set it in, and then the limiter itself with directions. Alright, that's from Comp Cam. Stick that aside. Then next, what I got. I guess they're not open. We got NGK spark plugs. We got the Iridium ones. 16 of them. And then, last but not least, I don't want to take it out of here. We got a new windage tray, which is the oil pan gasket. Here's the part number for that. Windage tray 57. I don't know if it's this one. Whoops. Or one of these. So that's what I got so far. Told you the first one, nothing exciting here, but share it all with you guys. Like and subscribe. Have a good night.